A recurring affiliate commission is a type of commission that continues to be paid out to the affiliate for as long as the customer buys from the company. The use of recurring commission programs has increased over the past few years because they offer affiliates a more consistent and attractive revenue stream. This enables you to earn passive income as you continue to be paid every month for referring a customer only once. In this video, you will discover 10 of the best affiliate marketing programs with recurring commissions. Links to these programs are in the description of this video. Number 1. ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a drag-and-drop website and sales funnel builder. It helps businesses to automate their sales process. As of August 2021, ClickFunnels has over 108,000 active users. Their commission rate is 20 to 40% monthly recurring. In addition, they also have a dream car contest. You'll be eligible for your dream car as soon as you obtain a total of 100 active ClickFunnels members while enjoying your monthly recurring commissions. The least pricing plan of ClickFunnels is $97 per month. Hence, their 40% monthly recurring earns you $38.8 for one referral. For 100 total referrals, you can earn over $3,800 recurring monthly passive income from the ClickFunnels affiliate program. As of the time of making this video, over $100,365,342 in affiliate commissions have been paid out by ClickFunnels. You can promote ClickFunnels to virtually every entrepreneur who wants sales online. This includes affiliate marketers, e-commerce owners, coaches or consultants, authors, freelancers, small businesses, network marketers, and bloggers, among others. Number 2. Kartra. Like ClickFunnels, Kartra is also an effective sales funnel software and a one-stop marketing solution for running an online business. It provides automation tools for businesses, which includes landing pages, shopping carts, email marketing integration, and a membership portal builder. Kartra's affiliate program is free and relatively easier to join. They pay you 40% monthly recurring commissions for every person you refer. In addition, they also pay you second-tier commissions, which is also 10% recurring. This means that you are additionally earning 10% on every referral your affiliates make. Kartra's starter plan costs $99, giving you an earning potential of $39.6 for each referral and about $3,900 every month for 100 referrals. Number 3. Writer. Writer is an AI writing software and copywriting assistant for writing content. It can be used to quickly and accurately write sales copy, blog posts, social media ads copy, SEO title and description, emails, and YouTube video descriptions. Writer pays 30% recurring commissions for a lifetime, as long as the customer keeps using the software. You can promote to bloggers, copywriters, authors, YouTubers, and digital marketers so as to speed up their content creation work while you make some cool cash. Writer affiliate program pays you when you earn at least $100. It is open to everyone, and since they offer a free trial, it is easier to get people to test it out, so that you make commissions when they upgrade. Number 4. Jarvis. Jarvis AI is another powerful copywriting assistant that generates original content for copywriters and content creators. This will genuinely enable your audience to efficiently write content with artificial intelligence. Jarvis affiliate program pays you a 30% recurring commission for life. For whoever uses your referral link to sign up, they will automatically get 10,000 bonus credits, which can really incentivize them to get started. When they approve you to become an affiliate, they also give you access to a marketing swipe file with official videos, emails, advertisements, and social media posts that you may use to promote the software. Number 5. Cloudways. Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting provider. They provide their customers with incredible tools that allow them to leverage the benefits of cloud hosting without any hassle, allowing their websites to run at their best. A customer chooses a cloud hosting provider and use a simple and powerful dashboard to administer their cloud server at Cloudways. This makes it easier to promote as they are able to improve the speed and the overall performance of customers' websites. Cloudways has a one-off payment per referral, which can pay you up to $125. However, they also have a recurring commission structure, which pays $30 upfront for each referral, plus 7% lifetime commissions. You can predict how much you can make for a specific number of affiliates using their affiliate earning calculator. Number 6. Kinsta. Kinsta is a reputable managed WordPress hosting provider. Referrals can earn up to $500, plus 10% monthly recurring lifetime commissions. They also have an affiliate earning calculator that makes you predict how much you stand the chance of earning with each of their pricing plans. Kinsta Hosting will appeal to companies and websites that experience high traffic on their websites. Kinsta has one of the highest paying web hosting affiliate programs. Number 7. GetResponse. GetResponse is a trusted email marketing software as well as a tool for building landing pages and sales funnels. GetResponse offers you 2 payout options to choose from: either a $100 one-time commission or 30% recurring commission for every sale made through your referral. You can promote GetResponse to entrepreneurs, small businesses, nonprofit organizations, and any other business that is involved in online marketing. You would also immensely benefit from GetResponse when you sign up to build an email list for your affiliate marketing business. Number 8. TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a browser extension that assists YouTubers in gaining more views and subscribers by providing tools to help you improve their videos as quickly as possible. It has an advanced keyword research feature that enables creators to find topics that people are searching the most on YouTube and enables them to select appropriate titles and tags for their videos. TubeBuddy pays up to 50% in recurring commissions for every sale you make. When you apply to join TubeBuddy affiliate program, your application can be instantly approved. Number 9. Teachable. Teachable is an online platform that enables people to create and sell online courses and coaching services without necessarily having any tech skills. The platform currently has more than 100,000 creators. You can promote Teachable to content creators who want to monetize their knowledge. For every referral, you earn from 30 to 50% monthly recurring commissions. Many affiliates earn more than $1,000 from Teachable every month. Number 10. NordVPN. As you may know, a VPN service protects your internet connection and online privacy by hiding your IP address. NordVPN is one of the most trusted, highly patronized VPN in the tech industry and is already used by millions of users on the internet. Depending on the subscription plan chosen by the customers you refer to them, you will earn from 40 to 100% for a new sign-up. In addition, you will also be paid 30% recurring for each renewal. This video has covered only 10 of the best affiliate marketing programs with recurring commissions. For a complete list of all affiliate programs with recurring commissions, check the link in the description. We hope we could be of help. If yes, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. See you in the next video.